Read, learn, know with Miss Ro. Yay!
Hi everyone, it's Miss Ro once again and welcome to my channel. Today, we're gonna have our English lesson. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below and hit the like button after you've watched this video. And if you wanted to be the first one who will get notified if I have posted a new video, please click on the notification bell down below. Alright, let's start. In this video, you will learn short words. Okay, let's revise. Look at the picture and then tell me the words. You can also look at these words at the bottom and you may start blending. S, at, sat. Very good. How about this one? Let's read. Ant, ant. Perfect. How about this one? Tag, tag. How about this? Pen. Perfect. Next, let's revise and read. Take a look at the red dot for each sound of the letter and then the green line for you to blend. At. One more time. At. Perfect. Next. As. Next. App. Awesome. Alright, now let's read more and let's have the 3-letter words. Take a look at the letters and then sound each of them. S, at, sat. One more time. Sat. At, mat. One more time. Mat. Next. Pat. Say it one more time. Pat. Perfect. Next. Map. Map. Next. You have to pay attention to the pictures. It has 2 meanings. Tap where the water goes out, and then tap that you tap the drums, alright, or tap the table with your hands. Next, let's sound each letter out. T, a, p, tap. Say it again. Tap. Next. S, a, p, sap. Say it again. Sap. Alright, now this time, let your mom and dad say the words to you, whether they are 2-letter words or 3-letter words. And then you write them down properly on your whiteboard. Are you ready? Great. You can always pause the video and work on your own pace, okay? Now, let's move on. We're gonna make an ice cream artwork, okay? So this is how it looks like. Alright? Now, anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video and I can't wait to see you all soon. Bye!